everybody. Happy Valentine's Day. Welcome to a new episode of Sundays with Selma. Today's episode, we are going to make pepperoni pizza roses. Let's get started. We need the following ingredients to begin. Pizza dough, pizza sauce, mozzarella cheese, pepperoni, cooking spray. So, the first thing we are going to do is unroll the pizza dough. Now, take your pizza cutter and cut the pizza dough. Then, the next step is going to be put the pizza sauce on. Just spread it out nice. Then, the next part is we are going to add the mozzarella cheese. Just a nice thin amount. Now, we are going to take our pepperonis and place them on the dough. Leave a little bit of the pepperoni sticking out of the top. And make sure you overlap the pepperonis. Last part is going to be roll it all together. Next, we are going to grease the muffin pan and place them in. So, we got those into our pan. Now we are going to bake this in a 325 Fahrenheit oven for 18 to 20 minutes. It's around 18 minutes now. Our pepperoni pizza roses are ready. I'm going to remove the pizza roses from the oven and place it on a cooling rack for around 10 minutes to cool off. I'm going to use a spatula to gently run around the side to just make sure nothing is sticking. Our delicious Valentine's Day special pepperoni pizza roses are ready. If you like this recipe, please share and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.